What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects. Feels like these days, since we are in a bearish market, free mint NFT projects popping up every single day. So the 3 projects that I'm going to show you, they are at very early stage. They're not hyped yet, but they have decent potential, maybe for a quick flip or something like that. And since they're not hyped yet, I think it's easier to get a whitelist spot before they actually gonna blow up. And before I'm gonna show you the projects, I'm gonna ask you if you can do me a favor, follow me on my Twitter. I would really appreciate it. So the first project, it's called Bear Intelligence Agency, and that's a free mint. So top secret agency, mint date to be announced, and classified utility. So apparently they're gonna have some kind of roadmap, but they're not announcing, and some kind of utility, and again they're not announcing as well, and they don't have a Discord yet. So if we scroll down, as you can see, this was posted on July 15, and it already has 1100 likes, 1100 retweets, and 1100 comments. So they're getting quite a bit of interaction on their Twitter posts. So this could be a good project to keep an eye on. Next project, it's called Paperfaces. So hidden roadmap, locked Discord, free mint. So they do have a Discord, but it's locked, and apparently they have some kind of roadmap. So probably they're planning to build something, have some kind of utility with this project. And if we scroll down again, they are getting decent interaction, not a whole lot as the other one, but still 500 likes, 200 retweets, and 200 comments. And it's interesting, Paperfaces art. So not sure what this is about, but feels like every human or every creature in there has a paper face on them. So this is another good project to keep an eye on. And the last project is called Soup. So free mint from the kitchen. So there is not a whole lot of information. The only thing that I know, they created their Twitter in July and they already have almost 9,000 followers. And as we can scroll down, as you can see, this was posted 5 hours ago. They have a little bit of interaction, and this is just outside. It's not even a whitelist spot giveaway or anything like that. And if we scroll down even more, you can see this one was posted on the 16th, and looks like this is whitelist spot giveaway. And they're stating the community that's gonna rate the most, they'll get 100 whitelist spots or invites, and 10 people will get 2x mint slots. And on this post, they got 2,800 likes, 2,500 retweets, and 2,500 comments. So again, also getting quite a bit of interaction, and this project again is also at the early stage. It's not very hyped yet. So this is 3 projects that I would keep an eye on and try to get a whitelist spot. They might have a decent potential, or maybe just a quick flip. And all the projects that I show you in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And I'm not a financial advisor, this is not a financial advice, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.